How is it that they get to go have a good time down in Boston and we get to go to work? Because yes, as you can tell, it's pouring rain. And anything with gravel is turning to ice. So I gotta go to work for him. Because his customers are calling. Gotta sand my driveway. Freak sakes.
Great trip.
I got a day off with my girlfriend and I gotta go to work.
Exactly. Yep. Company, you know.
So, both.
All right. Bye.
Have fun. Just telling the people I get a good day off with my girlfriend and we gotta go to frickin' work now.
Yeah, now we gotta go see
boom.
it.
Bang! Just like that, we're in another vehicle. Anyway, that's the building there, but out back, we gotta do, this ought to be fun. And the area from the green dumpster, this green dumpster, up until that car there, so we got to sand. And I don't know how much I'm going to be able to record because obvious reasons, but I'm going to set the camera up on the dashboard here and let it go. Who knows, maybe we'll get a good funny video for you. Okay, Ma, we're ready to go.
All right, I'm ready.
Sorry for the ticky-tack, and we got the hazard lights on in case somebody comes in here and wants to park. More than likely.
Look at my back.
Well, so much for that video. I don't know when that fell over in the cab, but Jesus. Did you guys see any loose change down there? The floor mats of the truck? Huh? that's all right. We got football coming on anyway. That's right. Football day in America. What do we got here? Well, oh, there's some hockey. Well, I have to wait till 2 o'clock. Well, yes, the Patriots won. And I'm sure everybody has heard about the inflate or deflate gate going on. Looks like Colin put the logging winch back on in here. That's good. That's good. That way we can go down and get this thing, because I'm going to need it. Blowing through my wood here. Anyway, we got it set up for a reason. We're going to finally get around to splitting some of this wood. Yeah, I'm going to make a separate video on that. Set the tripod up and we'll put the boom to work. Get my father-in-law up here. I want to get in on it. But I think my idea is to split and load the bucket. And do one load at a time that way. And stack it over on the... I'll start at that end. And I'll stack it all the way down there. All the way up here. We'll get quite a bit of that in there. But this splitter's pretty cool. It's got the this was made up in Cavendish, Vermont by a company named Built Right. And it was built right. But it's pretty awesome. Got a Honda motor on it. Pretty dependable. We'll get this thing fired up. You've seen it in a previous video from last winter. I think we dicked around with it a little bit. I never really showcased it too much, but it's got the Honda motor on it. Runs pretty good. Pretty heavy duty hydraulics on it. And it's got the three-way hitch, you know, or the wedge, so it'll split not only in half but 4 ways. So, you know, you can make pretty quick work of this stuff. You know, take something like that and pop it in, one pass, 4 pieces, done. You know, and of course it's got the loading winch, so you just roll the pieces on up, hoist it up, away you go. And then we'll just unload them off the rack here into the bucket, and then drive over and stack them one load at a time. Instead of making a pile and picking it up 2 or 3 times. You know, oh, the poor giant deer. Look at it. Buried. So yeah, this garage here is the neighbor's garage, and it's a freaking mess. One day I'm gonna throw a match in there. Maybe I'll get rid of it, but I don't want to do that. I'm not an arsonist, but I wouldn't have that. There's no way I'd have that. But anyway, my wood is dwindling. That's why we're gonna refill these racks and get the drying process beginning for next winter. The only thing I don't like about storing this thing on its own is like it looks like it's top heavy, you know. Of course, we're right here on this hill, the breeze coming up. You know, I don't know what it would take to knock this thing over. You know, not too big of a wind, I'm sure. But I suppose I can anchor it somehow. Maybe it would, I don't know. But it's a nice little machine. This black locust has got a hell of a lean to it. I don't know why it's still standing, but it is. I can see daylight clear right through that thing. Try to zoom in on it. Through that hole. the center there. There's daylight through there. I don't think the camera's picking it up. But there is daylight through there. Obviously you can see the crack all the way down. It's probably pretty rotted at the bottom here from the looks. So I don't know how much firewood I'd get out of that. You know, it's a big tree, but I like that sweatshirt. Yeah. Well, from the looks, I got another problem here. Seems to be something running down the tiles there. Gonna have to investigate that. I get to go on the roof again. Yay! This ought to be fun. This ought to be awesome. That'd be awesome. A fat guy rolling off the roof. That might be a viral video. Anyway, there's only two little spots. Let me zoom in here. And I need a little caulk. I don't know if the camera's gonna get it. It's too far up there. But right on that corner, and then on the opposite corner, up on the other side of the roof. So I got caulking, but I have to thaw it out. It's in the truck. Left it in the truck. I'll thaw it out, bring it in the house overnight. And then tomorrow after work I'll do the same thing. I'll climb back up there. Give her a caulking. But that's going to be another video. I got to get this one going. It's been too long. It's been a week and a half. So that's going to be it for now, I think. Unless Colin's got other plans. He's talking about cutting a tree now. This long, skinny one here. Top of it broke off in a hurricane last year or 2 years ago. Where the hell am I here? Where the hell am I? I gotta zoom out. This one here. The top of this tree snapped off. You could see where it stops right there. Oh, that thing snapped off. Boom, landed in the yard. Ooh, there we go. Gotta cut some trees. Cut some trees. It's our old Boy Scouts sled, our Klondike Derbies. Got a little injury going on. So, oh, maybe we'll make another one of these someday. Son of a bitch. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. The Boone's John Deere, they survived. They survived. But this ought to be a little bit of firewood. Except it's still green. Frozen green, but anyway. This Husky does a pretty good job. Yeah.
Yeah. I think the chain's a bit dull.
Yeah, you think?
Just a I don't remember last time I used it. I think it needs to be sharpened.
Cut through pretty good. Not too bad, not too bad.
Yeah. Yeah, it could use a sharpening.
Yeah, whatever. No time for phone calls.
What? Oh, I got sidetracked. Yeah, it's gonna cut down a tree.
This is tough work watching you work, man. Sorry for the wind. How'd we do? Is it all done? Good job.
What?
You work so good, I'll let you go fishing tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Right on. Wish I was going fishing tomorrow. I don't know. I gotta go make paper. Not only paper, but money paper.